When adventure calls, having reliable gear is essential. The best camping stove delivers fast, efficient cooking anywhere outdoors, from remote trails to weekend campgrounds. Compact, durable, and easy to use, it ensures every meal is hot and hassle-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Coleman Barbecue Camping Stove. The Coleman Barbecue Camping Stove is a versatile and reliable companion for outdoor cooking, whether at a campsite, picnic, or on the roadside. Its portable design makes it easy to carry and set up, while the heavy-duty latch ensures the stove stays securely closed during transport. Equipped with 2 burners protected by wind guards, it allows you to cook efficiently even in breezy conditions. The improved knob rotation gives precise control over each burner, letting you simmer delicate sauces or boil water quickly without risk of overcooking. With a total of 22,000 BTUs, this stove delivers enough power to handle a variety of cooking tasks, from frying eggs to searing meats. Cleanup is simple thanks to the chrome-plated grates that are both durable and removable. This stove is ideal for campers who value convenience, durability, and consistent performance. It balances portability with functionality, offering a compact yet powerful cooking solution. Whether preparing breakfast for a family or dinner for a small group, the Coleman Barbecue Camping Stove ensures meals are cooked evenly and efficiently. Its thoughtful design and dependable performance make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a high-quality stove for outdoor adventures. Number 2. Camp Cooktop Camping Stove. The Camp Cooktop Camping Stove brings professional-level cooking power to the outdoors with an impressive 40,000 BTUs spread across 2 20,000 BTU burners. Designed for serious campers, it features a 3-sided windscreen that stabilizes the flame even in windy conditions. The folding lid doubles as a protective wind guard when open and securely latches for transport, making it highly portable and travel-friendly. Its matchless ignition system allows for quick startup without the need for additional tools, giving you control over the heat instantly. The stove's large 215 square inch cooking surface comfortably accommodates 2 10-inch skillets side by side, making it ideal for preparing full meals or using accessories like the Camp Chef Universal Flat Top Griddle. The fully adjustable burners give precise temperature control, suitable for boiling, searing, or simmering. Its durable construction ensures stability and longevity, while the compact design simplifies storage and transport. Number 3. Fire Maple Camping Stove. The Fire Maple Camping Stove is a lightweight, compact cooking system designed for backpackers and campers who prioritize efficiency without sacrificing performance. Weighing only 22 ounces, the stove and its accessories fit neatly into the 1-liter cooking pot for easy transport. Its heat exchange technology improves fuel efficiency and reduces boiling times by up to 30% compared to standard stoves, making it highly effective in windy or challenging conditions. The integrated design combines the stove and cooking pot into one unit, simplifying setup and use, while the built-in piezoelectric igniter provides instant ignition without the need for matches or lighters. The hard anodized aluminum pot is durable, and its locking stainless steel handle ensures safe handling, even with hot contents. A neoprene cover adds insulation and further safety, allowing you to cook confidently outdoors. While the stove does not include a fuel canister, it is compatible with standard camping propane canisters, making it flexible and easy to refill. This stove is ideal for solo campers. Number 4. OGERY Piezo Camping Stove. The OGERY Piezo Camping Stove is a versatile and practical choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, offering a dual-function griddle with 2 surfaces for grilling or cooking delicate foods. Its textured side is perfect for searing meats, while the smooth side handles eggs, cheese, or pancakes with ease. With 2 burners delivering a total of 10,000 BTUs, this stove provides reliable heat for quick, efficient cooking, and adjustable controls allow precise temperature management for simmering or searing. The push-button ignition eliminates the need for matches, simplifying startup in any setting. Its large cooking surface accommodates 2 10-inch pans, making it suitable for family meals or group outings. Portability is a key feature. The stove folds down to a compact 10.2 inches by 9 inches by 3.5 inch size and comes with a convenient carrying bag for transport. The OGERY stove is crafted to be durable and lightweight, ideal for camping, tailgating, or hiking trips where space and weight are concerns. It balances power, convenience, and versatility, making it an excellent tool for campers who want flexibility in their cooking options. From frying breakfast to grilling dinner. Number 5. Gonex Ignition Camping Stove. The Gonex Ignition Camping Stove is a compact and portable option designed to meet the needs of campers who value efficiency and durability. Foldable with a convenient handle, the stove measures 9.4 inches by 9.4 inches by 5.5 inches and weighs just 6.6 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. It features 2 burners producing a total of 16,000 BTUs, providing sufficient heat to cook meals quickly and evenly. The Piezo electric ignition system ensures fast and reliable startup without the need for a lighter, while adjustable heat controls allow precise temperature management. The package includes a Teflon-coated griddle, 2 cast-iron grill grates, and a propane hose, enhancing its versatility for different cooking tasks. Its surfaces are coated with heat-resistant material, protecting the stove from high temperatures and making cleanup simple. The Gonex stove is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts preparing breakfasts, grilling meats, or boiling water while camping or tailgating. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.